Brad Hay and Paul King are a team of 7th and 8th grade social studies and science teachers at Simmons Middle School in Flemingsburg, Kentucky. They believe strongly that students need and benefit from hands-on agricultural experience throughout the entire food production cycle. Hay and King solicited a grant from their local conservation district that allowed the purchase of a small greenhouse on school grounds. Students were able to study the impact of temperature and humidity on the germination and growth rates of plants. They also began a student-run business called Cougar Hill Farm that became a conduit to market plants to the community. Another outgrowth of the greenhouse project was the construction of a chicken coop with a local extension office providing fertilized eggs. And learning about embryology and egg incubation, and were able to raise chickens, collect eggs, and even take chickens home at the end of the school year with parental consent. A second greenhouse focused on growing with the community collaboration flowers from seeds for beautification. Partnering with their county garden club and the city of Flemingsburg, students maintained a pollinator garden in town and placed mason beehives around the school and the town. They even designed and built birdhouses and honeybee hives from old, broken, unwanted furniture in the school district. This led to the purchase of a honey spinner and the selling of honey at Cougar Hill Farm. Funds from that enterprise went into the planting of a school apple orchard. Hay and King were also inspired to explore alternative agriculture in the form of aquaponics. They solicited their first tank and pump for aquaponics system from Kentucky State University's Aquaculture Center. With help from their students' design and engineering, they now have 6 tanks of tilapia. The ammonia from the fish waste is converted into nitrates that in turn feed the plants. This closed system also grows fresh fruits and vegetables for students and their families to enjoy. Any excess produce is sold to fund future agricultural literacy projects. Using what they've grown, students compete multiple times a year in salad-making competitions. They also write newspaper articles and post them on social media to keep the local community informed of their many products available. Through each of the agricultural projects shepherded by Hay and King, students have an opportunity to learn about the importance of conserving resources through using recycled materials and water conservation techniques. After collecting expired fruits and vegetables from local supermarkets, students built compost bins. Since 2019, they've produced several tons of compost from food waste. A current project is the building of a community garden to allow citizens access to fresh vegetables. Students also attend guest speaker events and even give hands-on presentations to local elementary school children. Guided by unsurpassed dedication, Brad Hay and Paul King have enabled their students to perform at a higher academic level in all subjects and to appreciate how agricultural literacy positively impacts their lives on many levels. Mr. Paul King and Mr. Brad Hay, 2022 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipients.